Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unarchive a story on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Archive. At the top of the screen, select Stories Archive to see all the stories you've archived. Find the story you want to unarchive and tap on it. Instagram does not show direct unarchive option. To unarchive a story, tap on Share icon at the bottom. Tap on Story button at the bottom. This will restore the story to your profile highlights or story section, depending on where you add it. And that's it! You have successfully unarchived your Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.